Welcome to this video. If you use Telegram on your Android device and want to easily translate messages in other languages, you're in the right place. Today, I'll show you exactly how to enable the Translate button in Telegram. It's simple, quick, and very helpful for multilingual conversations. First, open the Telegram app on your Android device. Next, tap the menu icon in the top left corner of the screen. Then, from the menu, choose Settings. After that, scroll down and select Language. Now look for the option called Show Translate button. Finally, toggle this setting to enable the feature. Once enabled, the Translate button will appear when you long press any message written in a different language than your system language. This allows you to instantly translate foreign messages without switching apps or copying text. That's all it takes to activate the Translate button in Telegram. If you found this guide useful, feel free to subscribe for more helpful tips. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.